Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word welcomes. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The teacher always welcomes new students with a warm smile and an introduction to the class. Welcome is a verb that means to greet or accept someone in a friendly manner, showing hospitality and kindness towards them. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.